While British motivations behind the Partition of Bengal and their subsequent hand in nurturing the idea of Pakistan must and will be examined in some detail, an exclusive focus on British machinations creates the erroneous notion of Hindus and Muslims being equal victims of British rule, drawing attention away from express attempts to restore Islamic rule over Bharat. It bears noting that an Anglo-centric approach, which gives Middle Eastern coloniality a free pass in the context of Bharat's partition, is largely a product of the post-colonial school. This therefore reinforces the need for a decolonial approach to Bharat's history to prevent the sugarcoating of facts with generous dollops of post-colonial secularization. To understand the larger backdrop against which the pan-Islamic movements of the 1800s, such as the lesser-known Farisi movement, which was largely limited to eastern Bengal, and the better-known Wahhabi movement, which started in Delhi and spread to different parts of Bharat, were set, we must travel further back in time. A clear understanding of the origins, nature, inspiration, and aims of both the movements and their successors is called for in order to grasp the full extent of the psychology and pathology of Middle Eastern coloniality. I have consciously chosen to write about these movements since their profound impact of the Middle Eastern coloniality's quest to regain control over Bharat is rarely mentioned, let alone discussed in contemporary discourse, out of a misplaced sense of political correctness, also known as Indian secularism. This is despite the Indian Wahhabi movement's manifest and critical contribution to the laying of a fertile ground for Islamism, not just in undivided Bharat, but also in the larger subcontinent, the impact of which is still being felt in one way or another.